Receiving money on SoFi Invest is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can easily transfer funds into your account. Step 1. Create a SoFi Invest account. Visit the SoFi website or download the app to create an account. Fill in the required personal information and complete the identity verification process. Step 2. Link your bank account. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Settings or Funding section to link your bank account. You will need your bank account number and routing number to complete this step. Step 3. Deposit funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer, including the amount and the linked bank account. Confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer process. Step 5. Wait for funds to clear. Typically, it takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your SoFi Invest account. You can check your account balance to confirm when the transfer is complete. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can easily receive money on SoFi Invest and start investing.